In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include buffers on your calendar automatically in Calendly using Google Calendar. We'll walk through how to connect your Google Calendar to Calendly and make sure that any existing events on your calendar are respected, so you don't get double booked and you naturally create space or buffers around your meetings. First, start in your Calendly account. From your main dashboard, look for the option labeled Integrations and Apps. This is usually found in the main navigation or settings area. Go ahead and click on Integrations and Apps. This is where Calendly connects to the other tools you use, like video conferencing apps and, in this case, your calendars. Once you're on the integrations page, you'll see a search bar or a list of available integrations. In the search field, type Google Calendar. This helps you quickly filter through all the integrations instead of manually scrolling and trying to find it. After typing Google Calendar, you should see it appear as one of the integration options. Click on Google Calendar to open its detailed integration page. This page explains what the integration does and gives you access to the settings you need in order to sync your calendars. On this Google Calendar integration page, look for the button or link that says Connect Calendar Account. Click on Connect Calendar Account and Calendly will prompt you to sign in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. Follow the prompts, choose the correct Google account, and then allow Calendly the necessary permissions to view and manage your calendars. This is important because Calendly needs access to know when you're busy and to automatically block off those times from being booked. Once your calendar is connected, go to your sync settings. These settings control exactly how Calendly reads and writes events to and from your Google Calendar. Here, make sure you carefully check the boxes that apply to your setup. For example, you'll want to select which Google calendars. Calendly should check for conflicts, so existing events on those calendars will automatically make you unavailable during those times. You can also choose which calendar new Calendly events should be added to. By enabling these sync options and checking the right boxes, your existing Google Calendar events will act as natural buffers, preventing back-to-back bookings and ensuring Calendly only offers times when you're truly free.